Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about BTS ties its own longest run at number one on one chart. Hawk Milkantor, senior contributor, updated 28 April 2026. In the half-decade plus since Billboard introduced two worldwide restores, the Billboard Global 200 and Billboard Global XL US. One musical act has emerged as the most successful when it comes to topping the competitive rosters. BTS claims the most leaders than the South Korean septet, which recently returned after a multi-year hit with its comeback album Arirang, led by the Smash fame, added to its historic sound with its latest single. Swim helped BTS push further ahead of Taylor Swift, who claims the second most winners with half a dozen number ones. Now the Grammy-nominated boy band has tied its own record on the Billboard Global 200 in terms of the time spent in the penthouse. BTS Swim holds at number one for a fourth week. Swim has lived on the Billboard Global 200 for 4 weeks, and it has yet to sit in any spot that is not number one. The tune debuted atop the ranking in early April, and so far, despite tough competition, it has yet to sit control over the roster. Last spring, BTS blocked Dominic Fike's Baby Doll from becoming his first winner. This time around, fellow K-pop favorite Jennie, known largely for her work as one quarter of the girl group Blackpink, claimed at number two with Dracula alongside her collaboration partner Tame Impala. BTS swim matches Dynamite. Now that Swim has ruled the Billboard Global 200 for 4 weeks, it ties as the longest running number one by BTS. It shares that honor with Dynamite, which debuted on the list in September 2020 and rose to the peak position only a few weeks later. BTS Butter also managed multiple turns at number one. BTS counts it number ones in its discography, and of that some only three have dominated for more than one frame. In addition to both Dynamite and Swim, Butter, and other words concurring Smash opened at the summit and held and managed to turn in the spotlight. Here are all of the BTS number ones on the Billboard Global 200. Number one, Butter, Dynamite, Life Goes On, My Universe with Coldplay, Permission to Dance, Savage Love with Javish 685 and Jason Derulo. Swim, Take 2. Swim may soon catch better. Swim is also steady at number one on the Billboard Global XL US, but it does not rank as the act's longest running ruler. Since the Billboard Global XL US focuses entirely on where the rest of the world is listening to and not where Americans are buying and streaming to, singles by the South Korean seven-member group have spent more time in the highest rung than Swim, at least as of this period. Dynamite continues to reign among the group's eight leaders with 8 frames at number one, Butter stands just one period ahead of Swim, and in a few days it's possible that the latest BTS smash will tie as the band's second longest running ruler. BTS Dream remains the best-selling track in America. Of the 9 Billboard charts where Swim currently appears, it sits at number one on three. In addition to both the Billboard Global 200 and Billboard Global XL, US Swim is once again the best-selling track in the US, and it's comfortable at number one atop the digital song sales chart. Swim will need to stay in that slot for several more months before it matches both Dynamite and Butter, which settled into the position for 18 frames. Those two BTS singles are tied as not only the longest running winners among the crowd's hits but among all songs by any artist. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.